Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to do this activity. First of all, you have to read the problem. Second, you have to answer the problem inside of the square. Third, you have to decompose the number in the number bond. Okay, so here we have the first problem. Mary has 3 candies. 1, 2, 3. Peter gave her 2 more. 1, 2. How many candies does Mary have? Okay, so here you have to give me the answer. Now you know 3 and 2 make 5. So in this square, you have to give me the answer number 5. Okay, so the third step, you have to come here and decompose the number 5. You have to draw or type number 5, and then you have to decompose that number. You have to do the same thing here in the second problem, and you have to do the same thing in the third one. So the second says there are 8 horses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a farm, and 2 cows, 1, 2. How many animals are there? You have to give me the answer here, and you have to decompose the number here. Let me go ahead and read the last problem. Daniel has 9 cars, and Hope gave him 1 more. How many cars does Daniel have now? Alright, so here you have to give me the answer, and in here you have to give me, you have to decompose the number, okay? So, bye guys!